Quality and Standards at Hemargroup. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. The issued standards define the rules and guidelines to be followed to reach a defined purpose. Often, they refer to manufacturing, quality, and traceability best practices. Usually, there are different customers, all asking for different products and solutions, but all of them, of course, require highest quality. ISO 9001 provides the main guidelines for a constant and continuously improved process quality, so to fully satisfy the customer needs and to optimize the internal workflow. It shows how to improve the efficiency by planning in advance the objectives and risks and by correctly applying non-conformity checks and corrective actions. ISO 9001 explains how to communicate inside the company and how to document, verify, and validate each production process. It defines internal roles, responsibilities, and authorities in compliance with each individual competence. A correct application of the ISO 9001 standard also allows performance evaluation and lean forward analysis. Some customers may ask for medical products and development services. ISO 13485 provides the main guidelines to be followed in a quality management system specifically for the design and manufacturing of medical devices, especially for the US and the European market. It explains the requirements to inspect, document, trace, and validate the manufacturing process of medical devices. It also allows to verify the necessary corrective and preventative actions and their effectiveness. ISO 13485 further indicates how to set up the controls inside the work environment to ensure product safety. It also shows how to perform risk management and design control activities during product development. Some customers may ask for military products. AQAP2110 is the NATO quality assurance requirements for design, development, and production of military applications. Among the rest, it specifies that the company has to fulfill completely the ISO 9001 requirements. AQAP2110 indicates the quality management system requirements and how to perform a correct instrument calibration. It also explains that the company has to define a responsible for the communication to the government quality assurance representative. AQAP2110 specifies to arrange the infrastructure by defining the production places used solely for military devices. At Hemargroup, all three ISO standards are met. Get in touch with us for any need in electronic development and production of consumer, medical, military, or other products and devices. Internet of Things and cloud solutions are also an important topic. Stay tuned for our newest developments. Visit us at www.hemargroup.ch or follow us on our social media channels. Hemargroup. Electronics is our world. Manufacturing our passion.